Hey, what's up guys? Hope everybody's doing well and having a great day. In this video, I'm going to take you guys over to Hamburg, Germany, where an ominous message appears out of nowhere in the daytime sky. Also in this video, you're going to see thousands of birds traveling through the sky. And in one location, you're going to see the birds appear to fly in a circular pattern. We're going to come back and take a look at those videos here in a moment. But first, some sort of a weird orange roll cloud in the sky. Video footage sent in here just within the last couple of days by Liz. Not sure of the location, but as you can see, she was driving down the road. I don't see any palm trees in the video, so I don't think this was in the south. But again, I don't know where it was. I'm waiting to hear back from Liz on the exact location. But anyway, as you can clearly see, she was driving down the road and happened to notice this roll cloud off in the distance, spanning, I'm assuming, north to south, as the sun is more than likely setting over here in the west. But if you look closely at this roll cloud, you'll see a unusual orange glow in the center of it that you don't normally see when we see roll clouds in the sky. Look at that. That thing is super weird. Glowing orange right down the middle, not the entire roll cloud, just in the middle. See that orange line? I'm going to zoom in close and slow it down. In fact, I'm doing it right now. Zoom in close and enhance it just a little bit to pull out that orange line right down the center of that roll cloud. I have never seen one with this type of a personality. That is super cool. Thanks for the video, Liz. Greatly appreciate it. Coming over here to the homepage of the website, today's feature photo was sent in by William C. out of Buffalo Junction, Virginia. A close-up of the sun as it was rising over the horizon out over the Atlantic Ocean. Checking in on the GOES X-ray flux. Not too much activity in the last 48 hours. Over here at poweroutage.us, they've got the power back on for the majority of the customers that lost power during the recent storm activity that went through the Central Plains and up the eastern seaboard. Hopping over to the Yellowstone supervolcano caldera, looking at the seismographs that monitor the mighty supervolcano. Most of the activities up here in the very busy northwestern quadrant of the supervolcano caldera. And we can see a little bit of magma intrusion around the northern and eastern side of the caldera. But other than that, pretty quiet at the supervolcano. Coming over here to Lake Mead, looking at the water database, yet another day of positive change. That's over 2 weeks in a row of positive change, and that equates to more water in the reservoir at Lake Mead, up to 1,046 right now. At one time, it was down to 1,040, and from there, it's bounced upward ever since. Overall water content continues to grow at Lake Mead. Coming over to Lake Powell, they both sit on the Colorado River. Not the same situation up here at Lake Powell. It continues to go downward. Yet another day of negative change at Lake Powell, which is resulting in less overall water content at Lake Powell. So hopefully that will change sometime here in the near future. Something that is going to change here in the near future is the temperatures, and they're already starting to change, especially across the northern tier of the United States. It's going to get incredibly cold over the next couple of days. As you can see, the purple on the map here, that represents a Arctic air mass that's going to dip down into the northern part of the United States. And this is the ambient air temperature, -7, -6, -9. And if I switch over to the wind chill factor, you can see it's considerably colder. -29, -30 in places, -28 over here in northern Iowa, -20, -21, -24 over here in parts of Wisconsin, -16, -17. These are the feel-like temperatures with the wind chill. Parts of Colorado, same situation, -20s and -30s, and that's going to continue through Monday, and then the cold air is going to start to lift back up and retreat back up into Canada and closer to the Arctic Circle. Here's the wind chill on Monday. You can see it's improving some, and then we'll step it forward to Tuesday, and most of the cold air is starting to retreat back to the north. But here for the next 48 hours, it's going to be exceptionally cold. I want to share with you guys some video footage that I've received here recently, as I don't normally get video footage like this, but I thought I'd share these with you guys anyway. First video sent in by Joel R. Not sure of the location, goes back to January 4th, and you can see a non-stop flow of birds flying through the sky above their house. Looks like thousands and thousands of birds cruising through the sky. They're not flying in a circle like you're going to see here in just a moment, but that is a lot of birds moving through the sky, and that's what compelled Joelle to take this video of the birds as they were flying over her location. And again, not sure of the location of those birds. Here's another fleet of birds flying above Farmington, New Mexico. Video footage sent in by Mackenzie. Pretty cool. You can see the birds flying in a definitive pattern. They form that V, and they do that. They take turns when they're traveling long distances. They take turns flying in V's like that. That is something that is not random. They do that on purpose. So really cool video there by Mackenzie from New Mexico. And here's that example of the birds flying in a circle. This is out of the United Kingdom. Video footage sent in by Ian from December 4th of 2022. And you can see a collection of birds over here. There's probably maybe 100, 200 birds, and they're circling. And there for a while, there was a lot of talk on the internet about those sheep that were walking in a circle. And Ian happened to notice these birds flying in a circle over here in the United Kingdom. And you can see they definitely are. The flight pattern goes in a counterclockwise motion, kind of like a hurricane would in the northern hemisphere, going in a counterclockwise motion. Here I put it in fast forward so you can definitely see there's no mistaking. These birds were indeed flying in a circular pattern for unknown reasons over in the United Kingdom. Okay, I want to take you guys now over to Hamburg, Germany, where an ominous message appeared in the daytime sky out of nowhere. This video footage was shared with me by Kamala. It does have some narration, and here we go.
Wow. Final countdown. I'm dying. This is incredible. Oh my God. Look at this. This is live from Hamburg, Germany. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 planes in the sky. And I can't believe what I'm seeing. It is the final countdown. Can you see that, guys? This is bloody amazing. This is bloody amazing.
Isn't that weird? That appeared in the sky unexpectedly. She just happened to be outside, looked up and saw it starting, didn't know what it was going to say. This was formed by 5 airplanes as I zoomed in right here to show the airplanes up as close as I could get, and that's what it showed in the daytime sky. They wrote a message in the daytime sky that said the final countdown, and that is super weird. An ominous message appears in the sky above Hamburg, Germany. Video footage sent in by Kamala. Thanks for the photos and videos, guys. Keep them coming. If you guys have any photos you'd like to share, you can send those to reports@mrmbb333.com. If you guys have any videos you'd like to share that won't attach to the email for whatever reason, come over here to the homepage of the website, look for this red tab that says have a large video. Simply click on the red banner, drag and drop your video into the red tab. Please include your first name, date, and location, and I'll take it from there. Thanks for watching. Have a super day, and be safe out there.